Hey friends, if you wish to speed up Edge and make it load faster, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's what you have to do. Open Microsoft Edge and then click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select extensions and click on manage extensions. And then if you wish to remove a certain extension, simply disable it and remove it. Now this is how you remove extensions. Remove the ones which are not required because they bulk up the browser. Then click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, and then click on this history symbol once again. Check the time range as far as you can and then click on clear now. Then click on these three dots at the top right corner, and after that select settings. Click on reset settings, select this settings to the default value and click on reset. And finally, if that doesn't help either, then click these three dots here, select help and feedback, and then click on about Edge to update Edge to the latest version. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.